You will need your kindergarten math journal, a pencil, and I'm going to use crayons. I'm going to use a green crayon and a blue crayon. It's a lot like the problem that we did on the previous page. So I'm going to let you kind of think and see if you can solve it on your own a little bit more. So let's go ahead and gather those supplies and come on back. And then let's turn to page 29. 29. I have it posted in so that I can get to page 29 very easily. 29. Okay. All right. There were 10 frogs. 2 were in the water. The rest were on land. How many were on land? Show your work on a 10-frame number bond and number sentence. Very much like the one we did last time, isn't it? So let's think about how many frogs were there in all? How many frogs were there? What is our whole number? 10, right? I know that there are 10 frogs. I could even go ahead and fill my 10 in here. There are 10 frogs in all. And I know that part are in the water. What part is in the water? 2. And I'm looking for the part that's on land. If I was writing it as an addition problem, it would look like this. 2 plus, I don't know, question mark, equals 10. And if we were writing it as a subtraction problem, it would look like 10 minus 2 equals, So how could we solve that problem? You might have your tens partners starting to be memorized and you might just know the answer and you might be able to fill it in. Or maybe we're still learning and we need to figure it out. Either way, we are going to show a picture. Even if you know the answer already, we're going to show a picture because that explains our thinking and lets other people know what we're thinking, which is so important in math. So there were 10 frogs. So I am going to use my green to draw 10 frogs. You can do it how you would like to do it. I didn't even need to count to 10, did I? Because I know that there are 10 boxes in a tens frame. So this is 10 frogs. I just know that. That's what I love about 10 frames. Now, how many were in the water? Do you remember? 2 were in the water. So I'm going to do what we did last time, and I am going to draw water under them. I could also cross out 2. Maybe I'll do that. Could draw water under them and then cross it out because it could be a subtraction. There's the frog in the water. That part is in the water. How many frogs are on land? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 2 are tens partners. So I know that the missing part is 8. And I don't know whether you wrote an addition sentence or a subtraction sentence. You only need to do one. So, but if you did addition, it would be 2 plus 8 equals 10. And if you did subtraction, you'd have 10 minus 2 equals 8. Wonderful work. I will see you next time.